understanding potential causes of celiac disease. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss. It's a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, yet many are still unfamiliar with it. In this video, we'll delve into what celiac disease is and some of the possible causes. So, let's dive in. 1. What is celiac disease? Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder that primarily affects the small intestine. When someone with celiac disease consumes gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, their immune system reacts by damaging the lining of the small intestine. This damage impairs the absorption of essential nutrients, leading to a range of health issues. It's important to note that celiac disease is not an allergy or intolerance. It's an autoimmune condition. 2. What causes celiac disease? Genetics. Genes are known to play a significant role in determining an individual's susceptibility to celiac disease. Specifically, certain genes within the human leukocyte antigen (HLA) system have been found to be strongly associated with an increased risk of developing celiac disease. The HLA genes encode proteins that are responsible for regulating the immune system and identifying foreign substances in the body. In particular, two specific variations of the HLA-DQ genes, namely HLA-DQ2 and HLA-DQ8, have been identified as major genetic risk factors for celiac disease. It is estimated that around 95% of individuals with celiac disease carry either one or both of these gene variants. Exposure to gluten during infancy. During infancy, the immune system is still developing and maturing. Introducing gluten too early or in large quantities can trigger an abnormal immune response in susceptible individuals. The immune system mistakenly identifies gluten as harmful and launches an attack on the lining of the small intestine. This immune response leads to inflammation and damage to the villi, tiny finger-like projections that line the small intestine and aid in nutrient absorption. Over time, this damage can result in malabsorption of essential nutrients, leading to various symptoms such as diarrhea, weight loss, fatigue, and nutritional deficiencies. It's important to note that not all infants exposed to gluten will develop celiac disease. Individuals with certain genetic markers are more prone to developing celiac disease when exposed to gluten. Changes in gut bacteria composition. The primary change that occurs in the gut of individuals with celiac disease is villus atrophy. Villi are tiny finger-like projections that line the small intestine and play a crucial role in nutrient absorption. In individuals with celiac disease, these villi become flattened or destroyed due to the immune response triggered by gluten consumption. This leads to a reduced surface area for nutrient absorption and can result in malnutrition over time. Additionally, there is an increase in intraepithelial lymphocytes, IELs, within the intestinal lining of those with celiac disease. These IELs are part of the immune system's defense mechanism but are abnormally elevated in individuals with this condition. The presence of these increased IELs further contributes to inflammation and damage within the gut. Furthermore, there may be alterations in intestinal permeability or leaky gut syndrome observed in some cases of celiac disease. This refers to an increased passage of substances from inside the intestine into the bloodstream due to compromised intestinal barrier function. These substances can include harmful bacteria or undigested food particles, which can trigger additional immune responses and exacerbate symptoms. Viral infections. One infection that has been extensively studied in relation to celiac disease is a common gastrointestinal infection called rotavirus. Studies have suggested that rotavirus infection in early childhood may increase the risk of developing celiac disease later in life. This association could be attributed to the virus triggering an immune response that ultimately leads to the development of an autoimmune condition. Additionally, other infections such as adenovirus and Epstein-Barr virus (EBV) have also been investigated for their potential involvement in celiac disease. Although research is still ongoing, some studies have found a higher prevalence of these viral infections among individuals with celiac disease compared to those without. Overall, celiac disease is a complex condition influenced by various genetic and environmental factors. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. And as always, feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.